Your brand new car is supposed to last you years, but here's the shocking truth. Most people destroy their new car without even realizing it, all because of simple mistakes no one warns them about. That's why today, I'm exposing 13 deadly mistakes that ruin a brand new car fast. Mistakes that can cost you thousands in repairs and kill your car's value before it even hits 50,000 miles. And before we begin, I want to make a small, personal request. Running this channel takes a lot of time, research, and effort. Every subscription helps me continue paying my college fees while bringing you car tips that save you money. So if you'd like to support Gear Specs and protect your own car, please hit that subscribe button. It really makes a difference. Alright, let's get into it. Flooring it right out of the dealership. Yeah, I get it, you just got the keys, and honestly, the first thing most drivers want to do is see how fast the car can go. But here's the danger. Engines and transmissions actually need a break-in period. During the first few hundred miles, piston rings, seals, and bearings are still settling in. If you floor it too soon, you put unnecessary stress on fresh components, and that can lead to oil consumption issues and reduced engine life. What feels like fun on day one can cost you thousands by year 3. Skipping the first oil change? Man, a lot of drivers think it's brand new, I don't need to worry about oil yet. Huge mistake. That first oil change is actually the most important one your car will ever have. It clears out tiny metal shavings and debris created during engine break-in. Skipping it allows those particles to circulate through the system, scratching internal components and wearing your engine from the inside out. Ignoring tire pressure is another one. It's easy to think tire pressure doesn't matter much, especially on a new car. But even being just a few PSI off can waste fuel, damage suspension, and wear out expensive tires long before their time. Worse, low pressure can cause overheating at highway speeds, leading to dangerous blowouts. Your new tires should last years, not months, so yeah, check them regularly. Number 4, using the wrong gasoline. You know, plenty of drivers think premium gas is always better. Others try to save a few bucks by using regular when the manual calls for premium. Both are mistakes. If your car doesn't need premium, it's honestly just wasted money. But if your car does require it, using regular fuel causes knocking, misfires, and long-term engine damage. Seriously, always follow the manual, not myths. Number 5, neglecting car washes. A brand new car looks perfect when you drive it off the lot, right? But the reality is that dirt, salt, and bird droppings don't care how new your car is. They'll eat through clear coat and paint just the same. Skipping washes is honestly one of the fastest ways to make your car look old, and once paint damage starts, it spreads fast. Number 6, not using floor mats. This one seems minor until you realize just how much dirt, sand, and water gets tracked into a car every week. Without mats, your factory carpet absorbs it all, leading to stains, bad smells, and eventually mold. And here's the kicker. Replacing carpet in a new car can cost thousands, way more than a $40 set of mats. Number 7, riding your brakes downhill. Brand new brakes might feel super strong, but if you ride them all the way down a hill, you're actually generating a massive amount of heat. This can cause your brake pads to glaze over, your rotors to warp, and it totally reduces your stopping power. It's especially risky for new cars, since the brakes haven't fully bedded in yet. So, yeah, use engine braking instead and save your whole brake system from failing early. Number 8 is ignoring the break-in period. Most drivers honestly don't even know this is a thing. The first 1,000 miles of your car's life are super important. You're supposed to drive gently, avoid towing anything, and keep your RPMs pretty moderate. Doing this lets all the parts seat properly, which means your car will last way longer. But if you skip it, you've already shortened your car's lifespan before it even gets its first service. Number 9, overloading your car early. A brand new SUV or truck might look like it can haul just about anything, but the suspension and drivetrain are still settling in. If you load it up with furniture, construction supplies, or start towing right away, you're putting a lot of early stress on all those components, which leads to premature wear. So, treat your new car gently before you ask it to carry any big loads. Using cheap fuel additives, huh? Walk into any auto parts store and you'll see shelves full of these products promising miracles. Better mileage, cleaner injectors, more power. The truth, most of them are just snake oil. Some even have chemicals that can clog injectors, damage seals, and void warranties. If your new car runs fine, it doesn't need additives, it just needs good fuel. Resting your hand on the gear shifter, yeah, it feels natural, but it puts pressure on internal transmission forks. Over time, this wears them down and can cause rough shifts or even outright failure. On a brand new transmission, this can mean losing that smooth performance way earlier than you should. Ignoring small warning lights like that little TPMS check engine or service reminder light doesn't feel urgent, but ignoring them on a new car is dangerous. They often indicate minor issues that are cheap or even free to fix under warranty. Wait too long, and what could have been a free repair becomes a $1,000 headache. 13. Forgetting regular maintenance. Here's honestly the deadliest mistake of all. Thinking it's brand new, I don't need to service it yet. Wrong. Oil changes, brake fluid checks, and alignments all matter from day one. Neglecting them sets your car up for expensive failures later, and when the warranty runs out, those costs are all yours. See, a new car should last years, but only if you avoid these deadly mistakes. Now that you know them, you can protect your investment and keep your ride running like new. If you learned something helpful, please consider subscribing to Gear Specs. Every subscription doesn't just support this channel. It helps me continue paying my college fees while giving you practical, money-saving car advice every week. And if you thought these deadly mistakes were shocking, wait until you see our video on 15 stupid mistakes destroying your automatic car. That one could save your entire transmission. Click here and I'll see you there.